Let's go and see what is happening in town. It's time for the English Mass in 10 minutes, and let's see what is going on at the church.
No, it's euros.
New pilgrims come. It's a coming and going these days. Still high season, so you see people come. Another bus here from Italy. Wow, and you see lots of people here. Oh wait, is it 11 already? See Our Lady, tons of people here. You see, high season in Medjugorje looks like this. Yeah, it is. The Germans are coming out. The German Mass at 9, the English Mass at 10, the 11 is the Spanish Mass. And here we see what's going on. There might be still some friends of mine. This is funny. This is a lady from, I would say, from Austria. I know her from Facebook. This one here. This is a Facebook friend of mine. Not a friend, but somebody I know from Facebook. And let's see, there should be some friends from... also from Nuremberg. Love to meet these ones. We check if I can find them. It's amazing. It's a friend from Facebook. Love to see the Nuremberg ones. We check it out if they're here. You see, you have a mixtures of languages. Italian is there as well. German is there. But it seems the ones from Nuremberg, they left already. But we'll check if I can find them in the crowds. That would be amazing to see them. But it seems I don't find them. See if they're somewhere around here. No, they aren't. They aren't around anymore. What a pity. So we go to Our Lady in the back. Say hello to her. And up there. Let's go together. And here is Our Lady. You see, you hear German in Medjugorje all over the place after the German Mass. And here she is the center of everything. Our Lady of Medjugorje leading people to Christ and God the Father. Look at that. Full action, nice temperature by the way. It's not so unbearable hot anymore. And you see, this is how Medjugorje looks in high season.